6 causes of tooth decay and how to prevent tooth decay. A few things can be more painful or embarrassing than having a hole in your teeth. Aside from the excruciating pain that usually comes with this condition, you wouldn't want your peers to find out that you're suffering from it, given that it is caused majorly by poor oral hygiene. However, millions of people worldwide today suffer from tooth decay, usually from the reaction that occurs when the normal flora, bacteria in the mouth produce acids. This acid causes the hard outer layer of the teeth, enamel, to erode and can further lead to holes or openings in the teeth, known as cavities. These holes can cause excruciating pain, sensitivity, infection, and even tooth loss in the victim. Causes of tooth decay and their prevention. One of the significant ways to prevent tooth decay is by maintaining good oral hygiene, as this helps to check the activities of the bacteria in the mouth, preventing the acids they produce from causing the eroding action to the enamel and the subsequent decay that comes with it. In addition to good oral hygiene, certain risk factors should be considered. Here we have put together 6 significant causes of tooth decay and how to prevent them. They are: poor oral hygiene. This is the most common cause of this condition and involves not brushing and flossing the teeth regularly and properly. This allows a sticky film of bacteria and food particles called plaque to build up on the teeth and gums, producing acids that erode the enamel and cause cavities. This can be prevented by brushing the teeth at least twice daily with fluoride toothpaste, preferably after every meal. Daily flossing of the teeth to remove the plaque between the teeth and rinsing the mouth with a fluoride mouthwash can also help prevent this. Sugary and starchy foods. Eating too many sugary and starchy foods, such as candy, cookies, cakes, soda, juice, bread, pasta, rice, etc., can also contribute to tooth decay. The mechanism is that these sugary and starchy foods feed the bacteria in the mouth, increasing the production of acids that damage the teeth. Reducing the intake of sugary and starchy foods, especially between meals, will be the best way to prevent this. Also, drink water or milk instead of soda, and chew sugar-free gum after eating to stimulate saliva production in the mouth. Dry mouth or xerostomia. This condition arises from the mouth not producing enough saliva to keep it moist and clean. This can lead to tooth decay, as the saliva helps wash away food particles and sugars from the teeth, neutralizes the acids that cause tooth decay, and contains some minerals that help strengthen the enamel. This condition can be caused by various factors such as aging, smoking, medication, dehydration, or certain diseases. It can be prevented by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, avoiding caffeine, chewing sugar-free gum or candies to stimulate saliva flow, and using artificial saliva products if necessary. Grinding or clenching the teeth. This habit, also known as bruxism, can wear down your enamel and expose the softer, more vulnerable layer beneath the enamel, known as dentin. This action can also cause cracks in your teeth, harboring bacteria and plaques. Among many causes of this action include stress, anxiety, anger, or sleep disorders. This can be prevented by avoiding stressful situations and getting enough rest. Relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation and wearing a splint or night guard during sleeping can also help avoid this action. Misaligned or crowded teeth. This contributes to tooth decay by making it harder for you to take proper care of your teeth and practice good oral hygiene, encouraging the accumulation of bacteria and plaque that cause tooth decay. Also, this misalignment can put more pressure on specific teeth, causing them to have cracks, and consequently leave the dentin or pulp of your teeth exposed to bacterial action. You should consult your dentist for treatment options for this condition. Some orthodontic treatment options include braces or aligners to correct the teeth alignment and spacing. Genetics. Lastly, genetics can also play a role in the susceptibility to tooth decay. Some people inherit traits such as weak enamel, deep grooves in their teeth, or loss of salivary flow rate, making them more prone to tooth decay than others. If you find yourself here, you should visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings, and maintain good oral hygiene practices even more diligently. By following these guides, you can save yourself the pain and embarrassment of tooth decay while maintaining a healthy and beautiful smile for years to come. Following are references we used to create this video to start you on your own path of research. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.